When was the last time your sprayer and spreader had a tune-up? Your equipment works hard for you. And if it looks like this, it deserves better. Regularly checking your Let's Go sprayer and spreader and removing debris keeps it performing better and lasting longer. Take just a few minutes each week to clean the agitator, the impeller, and the hopper, and make sure that everything's moving the way that it should. Fast, am I right? And before big application jobs, always calibrate. It's the best way to avoid callbacks and to make sure you're getting the results you promised. Prep is part of the process. And in this business, it always pays off. This one's ready to roll.